My name's Carlos Savage. I'm the store manager at Cardenal Stereo. We're in Glendale, Arizona. We do car stereos, we do alarms, we do TVs, and we do interlocks. We've been a part of LifeSafer for over 10 years now. They're a really good company to be partnered with. They give us everything we need to succeed. Biggest thing for me personally, that it's changed my life because you're also helping your community, making it safer by installing these machines in the cars. So if your wife or daughter or child is driving on the road, you know, at least this person is not drinking and driving. The LifeSaver devices, in my opinion, are way easier to install than an alarm system. It's a standard starter kill system where you have power, ground, ignition, and starter interrupt. If you're putting in an alarm system, it does the same concept as the interlock. You can't start the vehicle until you pass the test. The alarm, you can't start the vehicle until you disarm the alarm. The LifeSaver Service Center support team has really been a vital team member for us. Because when we get into situations that we're not familiar with, we can get them on the phone, they can take over our computer, and they can see things that we can't see and fix the things that we can't. So it's been the development of all of us coming together to make the customer experience the best. It works out really good being a partner with LifeSaver because they're sending clients to you, so you're getting customers coming in, you're gonna make money, and it's direct pay, so you get your money right then on your install, on your calibrations, on your resets. It's all right there for you. This partnership for us is gonna continue because we've had the support that we need. We've grown as a company, we've grown as a LifeSaver contractor, and everyone's happy, and I'm happy.